Onwara bụrụ na onye Igbo wu ihe wu the president of Nigeria and they are unaliving people like this every day. Ama ọsọ ataala. Ama ndị Nigeria ma ụmụnne Tinubu niile ama ha storm on the streets. Even ha ga-emega protest. Ha nwee ike that is nọrọ na street for the whole 1 year. Ebe ha na-eme protest to make sure that they remove that Igbo person from the seat. But look at a na-slaughter ndị Yoruba na-egbu ha ka ebe a na-asụ akwụ. They are slaughtering them like where they are pounding garri, pounding fufu. And Tinubu and his people, nobody wants to come out. Remember the days of Jonathan, President Goodluck Ebele Jonathan, the way they stormed the streets, even the church ministers, the reverends, all of them stormed the streets. They are protesting. They want to remove President Goodluck Ebele Jonathan. He's not doing well. People are dying in his regime. They are buying people. They are this. Goodluck Ebele Jonathan is not capable to handle Nigeria. Now, Tinubu is capable. Tinubu is capable, Abi. The more is yet to come. Una never see anything. You see, for this, I saw the Yoruba people where they came out and said that they are praying for God to come down and help them. God should come down and fight their battle against bandits. Una go die finish before una eye go clear. Like all of una, they go wipe una finish before una eye go clear. You are waiting for God. No problem. But if it's only Igbo now, if it's an Igbo person that is in that seat, Yoruba o, Hausa o, Fulani o, all of them will come out, storm the streets. Igbo must go. The person must go. Oh, Regirila, there is one quote from my leader, Mazen Namdekan. He said that if these people step their foot in Biafra land and they want to raid a particular community, that it can never happen in Biafra land. It will be better that everybody wipe out once and for all, instead of us to allow these people to come to our land and take away our people, take away our land, the way they are doing in other places, in Kwara, in other places, in the northern part of Nigeria. It cannot happen, no. I am so happy that the world is seeing everything. Even in this Tinubu regime, hunger, everything, starvation, everything, Fulani, insecurity. Nobody is protesting. A whole teacher, they beheaded him. They beheaded a teacher. And nobody came out to protest. The school clinic, all of them are busy going to school every